Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs 2 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device a little bit. So I highly recommend to go to the settings. Then in this left section we have to scroll and find apps and services and tap on apps. And basically here we've got the full list of apps which are currently installed on this device, and I highly recommend to go through all of them, especially those which are frequently using, and removing cache. The cache are junk files which are installed by your device in the memory, and they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app, but obviously they are occupying the memory, so we have to remove them. As I said, let's go through all of those apps. Let me choose the camera. First of all, after tapping on it, we have to go to the storage. And as you can see, we've got this cache section. So let's tap on clear cache. Your device will immediately remove it, and thanks to it, it will immediately release the space. So as I said, go through all of them, go to the memory. Not memory, but the storage, and clear cache, and do it for each app. And after that, after you will finish this operation, I highly recommend to reset your device. This operation will confirm all of the changes, all of the removal of the cache. So all we have to do is to press the power button, which is located right here, and press it long enough until you'll see the proper menu. So keep pressing, and here we've got the option restart, so I highly recommend to simply tap on it, and your device will be automatically turned on, powered off, and then powered on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.